Today, I'll show you how to convert Lazada coins to GCash. First, open the Lazada app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to the Lazada account where your coins are saved. Once you are on the home screen, tap Account at the bottom right corner. Now look for Coins, or Lazada Coins. Tap it to see your current coin balance and available coin activities. Before we continue, it is important to understand that Lazada coins are not the same as real cash. Lazada coins are usually rewards that you can collect from check-ins, missions, games, purchases, reviews, or special promotions inside Lazada. In most cases, Lazada coins cannot be directly withdrawn or converted to GCash wallet balance. So, if you are looking for a direct convert to GCash or withdraw to GCash button, you will normally not find one. Instead, Lazada coins are usually used inside Lazada to get discounts on eligible items. To use them, go back to the Lazada homepage and search for the product you want to buy. Open the product page and check if coins can be applied to that item. Not all products accept coins, so always check the discount details before checkout. If the item is eligible, add it to your cart or tap Buy Now. On the checkout page, look for the coins discount option. Turn on or apply your Lazada coins if the option is available. Lazada will show how much discount you can get from your coins. Review the final amount before placing your order. If you want to use GCash, choose GCash as your payment method at checkout if it is available. This means your Lazada coins will reduce the order price, and your GCash wallet can pay the remaining balance. So, while you cannot usually convert Lazada coins into GCash cash, you can still use them together with GCash when buying something on Lazada. For example, if your order costs 500 pesos and your coins give a 30 peso discount, you only pay the remaining 470 pesos using GCash. Also, be careful with websites, sellers, or people online claiming they can convert Lazada coins to GCash for a fee. These offers are usually not official and can be risky. Never share your Lazada password, GCash, MPIN, OTP, or verification codes with anyone. So, to keep it simple, Lazada coins usually cannot be transferred or withdrawn to GCash. Use them as discounts on eligible Lazada orders, then pay the remaining amount with GCash if available. And that's what you need to know about converting Lazada coins to GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.